Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports on-device encryption and a secure lock screen. That matters because we'll rely on built-in protections rather than a Samsung account. Once done, back up your critical files to an SD card or cloud so nothing is lost. Make sure biometrics or PIN is active. This is the root authentication layer. These steps reduce risk and let you use local encryption apps or Android user profiles safely without creating a Samsung account. Next, create a separate local space that mimics secure folder. You can add an Android work profile or install a reputable Vault app. This gives app-level isolation without Samsung credentials. Install the chosen app, accept only needed permissions, then create a strong PIN or passphrase, and enable biometric unlock if available. Move sensitive apps and files into that profile or vault so they run isolated from your main profile. This reduces exposure and keeps data encrypted on-device under your control. Finally, verify everything. Open the secure space, launch moved apps, and open files to confirm isolation. Once you're confident, delete originals from the main profile but keep an encrypted backup offline. Keep the Vault app and OS updated to maintain encryption patches. If something goes wrong, for example the Vault won't open, first reboot the device, then clear the app cache. If that fails, restore from your encrypted backup. One key tip: never remove the primary screen lock while using a local secure space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.